The wisdom of the ancients reminds us that pain is not the end, but the beginning of transformation. The Persian poet Rumi once said, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." What does this mean for the modern man? It means that your struggles, your heartbreaks, your failures, and even your deepest wounds are not signs of weakness. They are doors to growth. Where you are broken is where strength can be forged. Where you are scarred is where wisdom can be born. Discipline is not avoiding pain, but enduring it with purpose. Courage is facing the wound instead of running from it. Honor is refusing to let pain make you bitter, choosing instead to let it make you stronger. Responsibility is carrying your suffering without casting it onto others. And self-mastery is learning to turn wounds into lessons, and lessons into power. Every man carries scars, some on his body, some in his heart, and some deep in his soul. But those scars are proof that you fought, that you endured, that you lived. The world tells you to hide your wounds, but Rumi reminds us that it is through the wound that light enters. The pain that nearly breaks you can also be the very thing that awakens you. So, brothers, do not despise your wounds. Do not curse your struggles. Instead, let them shape you, let them teach you, let them awaken the warrior within you. For the man who allows the light to enter through his wounds becomes unshakable, and his scars become his strength.